Welcome, Hillman Tot, to Cybersecurity 101. This is your first video in a series of videos that I will be releasing. And yes, there will be a homework assignment at the end of this video. So make sure you have your pencils and your notes and you're ready to pay attention. If this is your first time seeing my face, then you're not too far behind, but I do suggest you watch my intro video after you finish this one in order to catch up to speed. Today's topic of discussion is roles that fall under the cybersecurity domain. In order to talk about cybersecurity, we must first have an understanding of what exactly is we're talking about. So let's go into a quick definition. Cybersecurity, as I understand it, is the process of protecting digital assets from cyber attacks. Now, in layman's terms, what that means is through a technological process, we are trying to protect your data, your software, your networks, and your systems. Now, it's important to know this because saying I want to work in cybersecurity is the same as saying I want to work in healthcare. What do you mean by that? When you say you want to work in healthcare, are you talking about a nurse? Are you talking about a neurosurgeon? Are you talking about a CNA? Same thing with cybersecurity. When you say you want to work in cybersecurity, that's not a role. So let's figure out what we're talking about. Do you want to be a network administrator? Do you want to be a systems administrator? Do you want to work in the cloud? Do you want to be a hacker? Do you want to be an analyst? Let's focus on analyzing and defining the roles that we're talking about. Now, when it comes to cybersecurity, you have your technical routes and your non-technical routes. I personally lie in the technical route, and most of what this course is going to be is going to lie within that technical domain. But even if you go the non-technical route, you can still learn a lot in this class, so make sure you pay attention and stay all the way through. Now, I've given you some examples of different roles, the different professions, the names of these roles. For non-technical, you can see a lot of governance, risk compliance, audit and compliance, sales engineer, and things of that nature. And for the technical side, that list is way longer because I'm more familiar with that. You have your hackers, you have your analysts, you have your engineers, you have your security consultants, and things of that nature. Make sure you take a screenshot of this. Now, here is your homework assignment. Don't worry, it's not going to be too much. I know we all got busy lives, but as far as homework is concerned, it's important that you do it. I want you to do some research for yourself. Go to Google, go to LinkedIn, go to Indeed, go to some type of search platform. Glassdoor works as well. I want you to type in cybersecurity, and I want you to research roles within the cybersecurity space. Pick 10 roles that catch your interest, write them down. After you write them down, look at each one of the roles that you've managed to capture, and from that list that you've created, pick 3 that catch your interest. From those 3 that you pick, I want you to do a little bit more research. Figure out the type of qualifications that it takes to do that type of role, the tool sets that you use, the job responsibilities, the pay band of those roles, even the work schedule. Is it hybrid? Is it remote? Is it on-site? Where are most of these roles located at? I want you to have that type of understanding. Now, this is a sharing class. We want to make sure that we're all helping each other in this process. So in the comment section down below, I want you to type out some of the roles that you personally are interested in, because that's going to help the next person look at a role and figure out if that works for them or not. Like I said, each one teach one, and we're trying to make this a revolutionary thing. Again, towards the end, this is the end of class, but I do want to give a shout out to Dr. Ballo again, and go Panthers. Welcome to class, Hillman Tot. Let's go.